Okay, I've gotten some requests to have a sample done inside the car with the Wicked Flows exhaust. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do a startup, a pull out, and a windows down, just to give you guys a couple different sound bites of what it's like on the inside of the cab. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And I apologize for the darkness. So it's mostly just going to be a sound. And here's the windows down. There you go. There's a couple of different sound bites inside the cab with the Wicked Flows exhaust.